global markets. Here with the financial headlines, brought to you by Snap-Zed Universe.
Hello and welcome to today's financial report.
Gold price forecasts though USD appears vulnerable above $2,000 ahead of more US inflation clues. Gold price remains pressured for third consecutive day, eyes the first weekly loss in 3. Mixed sentiment in the market, downbeat treasury bond yields underpin US dollar rebound and weigh on USD. Debt ceiling fears, banking woes allow gold sellers to sneak in ahead of Michigan CSI inflation expectations. GBP USD licks BoE-inflicted wounds below 1.2540 hurdle ahead of UK GDP US inflation clues. GBP USD bears take a breather around weekly low after BoE-induced slump. Cautious mood ahead of the key UK Q1 GDP US inflation clues join mixed sentiment to prod cable buyers. BoE couldn't inspire pound sterling buyers despite 0.25% rate hike as Governor Bailey signaled sharp fall in British inflation. US debt ceiling talks, banking news also appear important to watch for fresh impulses. EUR USD pairs weekly loss above 1.0900 amid US debt ceiling woes ahead of inflation cues. EUR USD licks its wounds at the lowest levels in a month, braces for the biggest weekly loss since late February. ECB Fed policymakers try to show hawkish moves, but challenges to sentiment favor US dollar. US CPI PPI have been unimpressive and highlight importance of Michigan CSI inflation expectations for clear directions. AUD USD fails to cheer hawkish, RBA bets near 0.6700 ahead of US inflation signals. AUD USD fades bounce off 1-week low marked earlier in the day amid mixed sentiment. Hopes that Aussie budget will propel inflation and allow RBA to stay hawkish recently gained momentum. Expectations of China inflation recovery also made rounds. Aussie-China trade talks prod bears. Fears about US debt ceiling expiry, banking fallouts joins hawkish Fed talks to weigh on AUD USD ahead of US data.
Today's important news.
Today's markets outlet. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.